Hello everyone, and here, the little French in Big Texas. Today I am in Cancale, so this is a city in Brittany, very close to Normandy. Beautiful weather right now, but it just rained 10 minutes ago. A lot of wind, so the clouds come and go. And today we are going to try a few pastry shops and taste some of them as well, but really see how some are made. You have one here that belongs to a chef. Yeah, the real deal. A real chef with a 3-star restaurant at the Michelin guide. Yes, he has bakeries. So, let's try it out.
C'est la pâtisserie du maître Roellinger. Attends.
Wow. Des cakes noisettes, ouais, c'est ça.
Regarde.
Vous avez des cakes
le paumé.
normaux, naturels ou nature, voilà, ouais. D'accord, je vais rester sur deux cakes.
Le paumé. Oh, sinon, faut manger aussi ici. Regardez, le Florentin, un financier. T'as des biscuits chocolat. Tu veux regarder plus loin? Attends. Les macarons. Tu veux essayer un macaron? Chocolat. Il y a des petites tartes. Il y a Paris-brest. Oh, j'aime le Paris-brest. Et t'as des éclairs. Oh là là. Vous savez ce que vous voulez, les filles? Oh non. Bonjour, mesdames. Allez. Go ahead. So here. Yes. And over there, macaron. So that's a raspberry macaron. Oh, you did. Looks very chocolatey. Very. So this is salon de thé, kind of. So I did get tea. How is it? Yes. Good. Just good? Or really good? Good. Good with a smile. And how is the chocolate over there?
Almost a lava cake.
It's what?
Almost a lava cake.
Almost, but it's not made to be a lava cake. It's their chocolate cake. When it's a chef, he does as he wants. Like here. Un Paris-brest. Wow, that's good.
Mom, I want another one.
What is it? You want another one?
I want another one.
You want another macaron? So it's not good, it's like really good then. Yeah, it is really good. Yeah, that's what happens when you go to a chef pastry shop.
So these pastries were absolutely delicious. But looking back at the end of the trip, after we tried a lot of pastries and a lot of macarons in particular, I think Sophie's choice with the raspberry macaron was probably the best. It was so flavorful. You felt like you were actually biting inside raspberries. Absolutely delicious. But now let's switch bakeries. Pastry shop, still the same chef, but this here is going to be its specialty. It's called mille-feuille, and it is made out of a dough that you fold and fold again and again. And in that second pastry shop, they actually do it in front of you. So you get to see how the dough is going in and out of that machine, fold it again, and how they work it out up to this final product, which is called a mille-feuille. So this is not in the same town. It's about 45 minutes away in a town called Dinard. So still in Brittany and still the same chef. That one, they have a few different pastries and they also have ice cream. And the girl ended up that day getting ice creams. Most of them are flavored with spices because it's one of the specialty of that chef is to cook with spices, and he also has a spice shop. But let's look a bit deeper here on how they make it. So if you're enjoying this tour, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.
Vas-y, prends-moi un beau caramel beurre salé.
Oh, c'est les petits sablés. This is how they're made. The little butter cakes from here. Wow. Et regarde, c'est comme ça qu'ils font le mille-feuille avec les différentes. Genre, ils retournent la pâte. They fold and unfold and fold again. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, meringue.
Mommy, we have ice cream here.
Yeah, they do have ice cream.
Do you think it should
And
get
they have
some?
ham for $7.50.
Do you think it should
All
get
this,
ice cream?
yeah, all this is ice cream. Yeah,
I want to get
you got the flavors at the top. Girls. Wow. T'as vu comme ça a étalé la pâte? On se retourne pour regarder les glaces.
I want ice cream.
Tu veux de la glace?
Ice cream for ice cream.
We started the trip pretty high with that chef, and then going back to the regular pastry shop, just like you see here. These are specialties from Brittany that were actually available at the chef pastry, but they don't even look the same and definitely do not taste the same. Even the famous La Durée macaron that you see here, we tried a few, of course, but they were just not as flavorful as the raspberry macaron from that chef pastry shop. So it made us pretty difficult toward the second half of the trip after trying such delicious and flavorful pastries. Even that raspberry pie that looks delicious was good. Yeah, don't take me wrong, it was good, but just not as good. Same for all these beautiful pastries. So we got spoiled very early on in the trip.